Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Definity's Internet Computer Token on the chart. So let's get into this. So welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you guys could please smash that like button and consider subscribing. Now we have ICP, which has just been in this glorious falling wedge. This is one of my favorite patterns to trade, and we can see that really right now ICP is trading outside of this falling wedge. So perhaps we may have found bottom, and we might be getting ready to climb back up. So I'm hoping that is the case. We can get some more bullish momentum to the upsides. With that said, currently trading at $6.18, which is awesome. Let's go ahead and just check these charts out. And it almost looks like there was just this symmetrical triangle squeeze, kind of like what we've seen across the market, that is producing some of these results. Let's just go ahead here and draw that out so people can see what we're talking about. So we had a nice little symmetrical triangle and now a nice breakout. So we are seeing the 50 moving average kind of start curving up towards the 200, and I love to see this, especially on larger time frames like the daily chart. So let's go ahead and look at this. We can see that this wick is really reaching up towards this 50 moving average. And I do think that this is going to be interesting here, because this is kind of a thicker part of the Ichimoku cloud. Whether or not we'll have enough activity or price volume or volatility to break through this thicker part of the Ichimoku cloud is anybody's guess. But I would say that I do think that there's a good chance we could see ICP kind of come right up to this $6.50-ish level. Let's throw up some Fibonacci here just to see what price points we may be running into here. The 127 is bringing us to $7.01. The 161.8, $7.66, excuse me. This 100% level, $6.50. So it would almost be like a little baby retest of this $6.50 level. Now, I do think that there is this chance that we get to that $6.50 level, and I'm thinking that the market's not quite ready to recover. But if we did get a little bounce back down, we might be setting up for an ascending triangle. And this is just where forward thinking comes into play when you're doing technical analysis, because really the best technical analysis traders really are the best forward thinkers when it comes to this stuff. So when we look at this could be what possibly is going on. If we cannot top this wick from where it's at right now, we might just be seeing another symmetrical triangle squeeze, something like that on ICP. Let's look at Bitcoin here. We're seeing this same similar symmetrical triangle across the markets. This Fibonacci time sequence of July 3rd, July 5th, the one I've been preaching about for the last 2 weeks, turns out it was a very nice little bullish reversal here, and now we have broken this symmetrical triangle. So I think that there's a good chance we could see Bitcoin kind of roam right up to this 50 moving average and test it. Now, on the daily chart, the Ichimoku cloud's pretty thin, so this is very exciting. And I'd love to see Bitcoin prevail and get above this Ichimoku cloud and really start rampaging to the upside. When we're building bullish patterns like ascending triangles, things like that, above the Ichimoku cloud, it makes it that much easier for price to just start climbing. Let's throw up a little Fibonacci on this one as well. My guess is that this 50 move, okay, I was going to say it's probably somewhere right up by the 61.8 or 161.8. We might hit this $25,000-ish level. So really, if Bitcoin breaks past the 786, which is a very common reversal point for traders, man, I think there's a good shot we'll see a $23,000 to $24,600 Bitcoin. So it's going to be interesting. I mean, the other caveat to this is that if that happens, we might be setting up for something very dangerous as well. And that might be something like another head and shoulders pattern, something like that, if we cannot pass this 50 moving average. So this may be the setup that is going to take us the next step down. Maybe the setup that's going to make us start running again. And hopefully it's the latter. So hope you guys enjoyed this little quickie on the markets. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day wherever you're at in the world.